Say but asibingelele abantu abasibukelayo, also the ones that are on our comment sections. We appreciate support yabo. We are also saying subscribe to this channel because this is home. This is Orlando Pirates. This is where you are going to get the proper content of the Orlando Pirates. So firstly, let's congratulate the coach. The coach is doing very well. Let's also appreciate the fact that the management of Orlando Pirates is taking us serious as fans. Because remember, we're also stakeholders into this thing. So, the project, the Orlando Pirates, this didn't start today. These are the results of a proper structure within the team. Remember, we started some years back, and we couldn't find it well. Patu Rivero Wafiga, Kwatoloma player right. It's a will. Because bakhona abanye abo-chairman bamanye ama-team they don't care about ama-supporters. I don't want to mention names, but amanye ama-chairman wamanye ama-team, they don't care about their supporters. Others will even tell them ukuthi, hey, this is a family business, so don't tell us ukuthi sirana kanjani lento, yabo. So thina we appreciate umsebenzi kaBabukhoza nokusthatha serious, because by bringing quality players into the team, you are saying I'm quite serious about this project. Yeah, so I will say for the past 4 to 5 years, Pirates established a structure, and these are the results of a proper management of the team. That's why we are here today. It's not by fluke that we are taking cups season in, season out. It's because the management of the team decided to invest into this team and started serious. I was scaling on my family business. So